It's been a long journey, but today we're putting together our authentic banh mi. We already have our da chua pickles, the delicious Cha Lua sausage, a crispy Vietnamese baguette, and Xa Xiu marinated pork. You'll find links to all the previous videos in case you missed them. Stay till the end, because I'll still share a couple of tricks to make it truly special. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. The first secret is the mayonnaise, preferably homemade, to which we'll add a few drops of Maggi Seasoning, a few drops of fish sauce, a few drops of soy sauce, and a hard-boiled egg. Blend everything together. Comment below to let me know if you use a different sauce for your sandwich. Here's a link to the Cha Lua recipe, which we'll slice before starting to assemble our banh mi. And here's the Xa Xiu recipe. But you can also use the Cha Xiu you already learned how to make in the shoyu ramen recipe. Cut some generous medallions. You'll obviously need a baguette. Here's a link to the recipe. Open the bread. Don't cut it completely, or it will be difficult to eat. It's very crispy and spongy, so it will be easier than with supermarket bread. Let's spread it with pork liver pate. I haven't shown you how to make it at home because I haven't noticed much of a difference compared to store-bought. Spread it well, covering the entire bread. On the other side, we'll put the mayonnaise we seasoned. We'll start filling it with our Vietnamese sausage. Filling it well, but not with too thick slices. And the essential pickles, which we also prepared in the previous video. I'll soon give you more recipes to use them in. I love them. Fill the sandwich. I like to put a good amount. And now, for the protein. It doesn't matter if you chose pork, chicken, bacon, or tofu. Be generous. Let's give a little freshness and crunch with some cucumbers. Once again, I recommend the Dutch ones. Let's spice things up with some chilies. You can use any you like. I'll use a jalapeno. I know it's not very Vietnamese, but I like its flavor, and also a little red chili. But that's not all. Don't forget that banh mi needs fresh cilantro. Make sure you can still close it. Leave a like if you enjoyed this series about banh mi, and I'll give you one last tip for enjoying this spectacular sandwich. We'll use some baking paper to wrap the sandwich, and some kitchen twine to give a rustic touch. Tie it with a little pressure to keep it closed. And subscribe so you don't miss any recipes. I'll see you next week with another dish. Thanks for watching.